You might yawn after watching this video. Please press the like button and subscribe to this channel if you yawn while watching this video. So yawning can happen not only because of fatigue, but also because of the influence of others. When you see someone yawning, the brain automatically interprets the action and triggers the same response in your body. This happens because the human brain has a natural imitation mechanism related to the ability to understand and respond to others. This response is stronger when we see people who have an emotional closeness with us. This phenomenon shows that humans are naturally connected to each other through empathy and social response. Did you yawn while watching this video?